Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a delectable journey through the history of pasta. How did this humble dish become a global sensation? Join us as we unravel the fascinating origin of pasta. If you're ready to dive into the flavorful past, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And let's get started. Our story begins in the cradle of civilization, where wheat and water would weave a culinary tale that transcends time. Picture ancient civilizations using rudimentary techniques to create a precursor to pasta, setting the stage for something extraordinary. Centuries ago, the Greeks and Romans enjoyed early versions of pasta-like dishes. These were rudimentary compared to today's pasta, but they marked the inception of a culinary revolution that would span centuries. Now, let's address the age-old legend. Did Marco Polo bring pasta to Italy from China? While the story is captivating, historical records suggest that pasta made its way to the Mediterranean through trade routes long before Polo's famous travels. Fast forward to Italy in the 13th century, where the first recorded mentions of pasta appear in Italian literature. The art of pasta making became deeply ingrained in Italian culture, giving rise to an incredible variety of shapes, forms, and regional specialties. The Renaissance marked a pivotal period for pasta. Cookbooks from this era contain the earliest pasta recipes, reflecting its growing popularity. Pasta became not just sustenance but a culinary art form, enjoyed by both the aristocracy and the common people. As time passed, Italian immigrants brought their pasta traditions with them, spreading its influence worldwide. The adaptability of pasta led to diverse variations globally, from spaghetti in the United States to ramen in Japan, reflecting the dish's universal appeal. Today, pasta is a cultural icon, embodying centuries of tradition and innovation. From classic recipes passed down through generations to modern, avant-garde creations, pasta has become an integral part of global cuisine. And there you have it, the incredible journey of pasta, from ancient civilizations to your plate. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the origins of one of the world's favorite dishes. If you found this video as delightful as a plate of perfectly cooked pasta, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your fellow pasta lovers. And don't forget to subscribe for more tasty tales. Until next time, happy eating!